All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So at the back of my mind. My mind, yeah. Try and get a picture. Here we are, mind. Yes, there we are. Very good. Mind. Very good. A secondary thought. Secondary. So that's like secondary. Second. Thought. Thought. So let's have let's have a look. Where's that emoji? Here we are. Thought. There we are. Thought. Or something worth thinking about. My secondary thought is, it was that idea. Okay, that idea was at the back of my mind. Yeah, I was just thinking about it. It was the back of my mind. Yeah, I thought about that. It might have been an answer. That was at the back of my mind. Yeah, I thought that might have been a reason, an answer, but I was unsure. Yeah. It was at the back of my mind. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's an idea. Yeah. Your idea was there at the back of my mind, but I didn't think we could use it though. I know, I understand your idea, but I did not think it was worth it. Yeah, I didn't think it was worth it though, because it was at the back of my mind. But it wasn't very worthwhile. It was too hard. We have other easier ideas. Other easier ideas, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. You're at the back of my mind. You're at the back of my mind, a secondary thought. She comes before you. Yeah. You're at the back of my mind when I make decisions. Yeah, but I'm always thinking about them instead. See, I'm always thinking about them instead, and you're at the back of my mind, a secondary thought. Yeah. I'll never forget you. You're at the back of my mind. I will never forget you. You're at the back of my mind. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, back of my mind. Yeah. So, can you use at the back of my mind in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Yeah, and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.